हं? हं. साठी घ्या तो का घ्यायला.
But you are inspected this.
Yeah.
What is the situation?
So now they had excavated the site for the sewage chamber. Because of the continuous rainfall, that drain has collapsed. But now our priority is actually the temple that is here. So what we've told the contractor to do is basically backfill and take the interest of the temple first. Because later they can do the reinstatement of that. So they will bring a JCB, they will clear the drain. And once the drain is cleared, they will put shoring against the temple structure just to protect it and make sure that it's fine. As of now, that is our main priority. As and then the work will continue. It's a minor issue. They have
But Mayor, being a normal person, we could make it out. Yesterday we had done a special report also on this thing. When you go digging just below the new drain which was made, so it is obvious it will going to fall. So being an engineer, they couldn't see this thing.
I can't speak for this thing.
No, because being a normal person, we
Even
could
I can
see it that it will fall.
See, the only time contractors do their work properly is now when they stand to lose money. So they have to keep correcting and they will keep bleeding money also now. That's when they start learning their thing. So we've told the contractor will give you all a briefing as to the timelines. But once the operator comes here, he will clear that. And once that is done, we have told him to protect the temple first and foremost. This can the chambers can take its time. We told him to take care of this first, and then they can start to work on the chamber.
Temple as well as banyan tree also is in danger.
Yes, that is our priority first.
Yeah.
The drain can be done at any
Banyan
point.
tree is going to fall, then it will create a damage to this government quarters also.
Exactly, and they have their pavements and everything that you can see also now. So let him take care of those interests first, and the drain can be constructed.
Have you spoken to engineer right now?
I spoke to the main contractor,
Yeah.
the one of the things. So he will be here shortly. He's stuck in some things, so he'll give you basic proper timelines as to when.
Is there someone from the smart city here?
No, nobody.
No,
The
because
contractor is here.
They are the one who should come before you, I think so, because their work is going on.
Exactly. Unfortunately, they're not here. So the contractor will give you all a estimate of the thing. We will come here tomorrow and every other day also to keep checking.